जब बात खूबसूरती की होती है, then nature never fails to surprise us. Waterfalls are nature's best example of heavenly sights. Dancing, thrashing, cascading down, there's something naturally exciting about witnessing a waterfall. And indeed, India is blessed with lots of them. So here are the 10 best and stunning waterfalls in India that will take your breath away. Jog Falls of Karnataka is India's second highest waterfall with an 830 feet long drop. This waterfall is created by the river Sharavati flowing through the Western Ghats, which is located on the Uttar Kannada and Sagar border. You can access the steps made by the tourism department at the bottom of the hill to get a clearer and a beautiful view of the Jog Falls. The dense green cover, the natural habitat of the region, and the white thick smoke-like water enhances the beauty of this waterfall. Kempty Falls is a picturesque 40 feet high waterfall जो located है in the Queen of Hills यानी मसूरी में. This hill station is situated way above the sea level. Kempty Falls is actually one among 5 different falls which developed by splitting off a stream by the rocks. But उनमें से कोई भी waterfall Kempty waterfall से ज़्यादा खूबसूरत नहीं है. And you can also take a bath in the pool at the footstep of the falls while enjoying its beauty. And moreover, the panoramic view of the surrounding places will definitely leave you in awe. Hogenakkal Falls is the beautiful waterfall of Tamil Nadu. This amazing series of waterfalls located on the famous Kaveri River in the Dharmapuri district are a sight to watch. The water falls in a circle and finally hits the small pool in the middle that is surrounded by some of the oldest carbonite rocks. This waterfall is a major tourist attraction in the state and immensely famed for its boat rides and medicinal baths. और हाँ, यहाँ आप by road नहीं जा सकते. So you will have to take bamboo boats which are called coracles to reach the falls, which only adds thrill to the experience. The Elephant Falls is one of the best and busiest spots in Shillong. These falls are named after the elephant-shaped rock near them. The Elephant Falls are divided into 3 phases, और ये तीनों phases आप 3 different vantage points से देख सकते हैं. The first part is comparatively broader and is tucked between dense trees. The second part gets narrower. And finally, the last one is the tallest of all and worth seeing. This serene location is a paradise for all the tourists here. Situated on the Kaveri River, Shivanasamudram is one of the best waterfalls in India, which is also among popular one-day trip from Bangalore. The island of Shivanasamudram divides Kaveri River into 2 parts that form twin waterfalls, which are called Gaganchukki and Barachukki. It's a segmented waterfall, which means that the water flows in multiple sides here, which is definitely a visual treat for all the visitors. With this, there are a group of Asian temples too near this waterfall, where you can visit. Located in the Bastar district of Chhattisgarh, Chitrakoot Falls is a spectacular natural beauty. It falls from a height of 95 feet and is almost as wide as 985 feet, which makes it the widest waterfall of India. और इसलिए इसे Niagara Falls of India भी कहा जाता है. It falls in Odisha, then enters Andhra Pradesh and finally merges with the Godavari River. ये waterfall इतनी dreamy लगती है कि आप इससे अपनी आंखें ही नहीं हटा पाएंगे. And also on the left bank of the fall, a very famous Hindu shrine of Lord Shiv is located. Athrapalli is the largest and most stunning waterfall of God's own country, Kerala. This breathtakingly beautiful falls is located on the Chalapudi River in the district of Kerala. This 80 feet high waterfall has a width of 390 feet and the view of the majestic Athrapalli Falls in the scenic background of dense green forest is something you can't miss. और अगर आपको अभी भी इसकी ब्यूटी पर डाउट हो रहा है तो याद कीजिए ये गाना। जी हाँ, ये भी यहीं पर शूट हुआ था और इसलिए अब ये भी हमारी मस्ट विजिट लिस्ट में है। After all, we also need to keep up with our Instagram game, right? Dhuandhar Falls is a scenic waterfall on the holy Narmada River in Jabalpur district of Madhya Pradesh. Dhuandhar Falls is also known as Smoke Cascade because the waters of the Dhuandhar Falls create mist while falling down. And it will definitely be a great treat for your eyes. इन फॉल्स के अलावा एक और रीजन से भी टूरिस्ट यहाँ आते हैं to see the huge marble rocks in the entire area. और इन वाटरफॉल्स का पूरी तरह मजा लेने के लिए you should either take a boat ride or ride on Dhuandhar ropeway. Located on the borders of Goa and Karnataka, Dudhsagar waterfalls flows from a height of roughly 1020 feet, making it the 6th highest waterfall in the country. This Konkani name Dudhsagar means an ocean of milk, and as the name suggests, it gives you an illusion of milk falling from a goblet. You can view the base of the Dudhsagar falls via train, by a jeep, or if you are feeling adventurous enough, by a trek also. So when you are in Goa, there is no way you should miss this gorgeous attraction. The last and the best one is Nokkalikai Waterfalls of Meghalaya. It's the 4th highest in the world and the tallest in India, which drop from a height of 1100 feet in the wettest place on earth called Cherrapunji. ये green slopes पर गिरती हुई heavenly beautiful waterfall will surely give you the best vibes. There are many different viewpoints and staircases around the cliff from where you can take a view of these falls. और कहते हैं that throughout the winters, the waters of this pool display brilliant blue color, while it turns into green in the following summer season. Well, we have given you the complete list now. So post-pandemic, visit these spectacular waterfalls in India to feel their refreshing spray of droplets and even take a dip in the cool waters with your friends. Meanwhile, if you enjoyed watching this video, please like and share it with your friends and start planning your trip right away. This is Sonakshi Kalra signing off.